What is the minimum budget to start dropshipping with Shopify? In this video, we're going to be talking about something really specific because it is going to revolve around Shopify. And if you want to start your dropshipping journey on this Shopify store, how much is it going to cost you? What's the minimum cost that you're going to need to actually keep a budget of when you are starting off? Now, dropshipping, as we all know, is one of the most popular ways of making money in nowadays. Okay, and if you want to start an e-commerce store, then dropshipping is the best way to set up products for yourself and actually make a decent income out of it. So, in retrospect to how much does it actually cost to start dropshipping on Shopify, let's go ahead and discuss about it in great detail. Now, Shopify, with its extremely user-friendly interface and powerful e-commerce features, is an extremely powerful and popular platform for dropshipping. But before you dive in, it is very crucial to understand how much does it actually cost to start dropshipping on your Shopify stores, okay? I'd say it does cost less than $100 to start dropshipping, but there can be a few additional costs for sure. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the cost of Shopify dropshipping in detail, explaining the essential and optional expenses that you should consider. Also, I will provide you with tips that can be helpful for a cost-effective Shopify dropshipping business. So let's get into it. Now let's talk about what are the essential costs to all of the Shopify features and dropshipping. Now, since the basic Shopify plan starts at $19 or $25 a month, you can start dropshipping on Shopify for $25. Now, apart from that, there will be other essential Shopify dropshipping costs. It can be said it costs below $100, as I stated before. Now, the overview of the subscription plans are $25, which is the basic plan. Now, what happens, it is ideal for new dropshippers, individuals, and small businesses just getting started. It includes basic reports up to 1,000 inventory locations and 2 staff accounts. Okay, now moving on, you have the Shopify plan, which is $65 a month. Okay, now this plan offers additional features like gift cards, professional reports, abandoned cart recovery, and it can be ideal for small businesses that are growing. And then obviously we have the advanced plan, which stocks up to $400 a month. Okay, and the advanced plan provides a custom report builder, up to 1,000 inventory locations, and 15 staff accounts. So it's pretty incredible. But from all these plans, the takeaway is that to start with a cost-effective solution, you can begin with the basic plan, which is for $25 a month. Okay, now if you want to get a free look at Shopify as well, the best part is if you're a newcomer and you create a brand new account, you can get the first 3 months off for just $1. Okay, so 3 whole months for just $1. That's pretty incredible. Now moving on, once you have created your Shopify account, that's where your domain name comes. Okay, now obviously you have a proper functioning website to work with. And if you want to get a proper functionality in, you are going to need to have a proper domain. So you need to find the perfect domain name. So establishing your brand identity is crucial in the dropshipping atmosphere. A domain name representing your brand is extremely important, so you should invest in this cost, okay? You have a couple of options when it comes to domain name costs, where registering a domain through Shopify is adamant. You can purchase a domain directly through Shopify and it can simplify the setup process for you. Okay, so the prices start from $14 per year and they can vary depending on the domain extension like .com, .co, .inc, etc. Then moving on, third-party domain registrars are also available. So you can use registrars like GoDaddy, Dynadot, NameSilo, Namecheap, Hostinger, etc. Okay, so pretty amazing average cost domains out there where third-party services go for $10 to $20 per year. So considering your budget and brand strategy when choosing a domain name and a registrar. Now moving on, you also go over the theme design and cost. Okay, now when you create your website or customize your store, themes come in pretty well. Okay, your online store's appearance is essential to attract customers and boost your engagement. So Shopify offers a variety of themes, including both free and premium options. So you can see the prices go from $300, $380, $280. We don't want to go with such expensive stuff. Okay, we can simply just use the free themes that provide several great features to get you started. Now, while these are functional, they may lack some advanced capabilities. However, they can be extremely cost efficient and a good solution at the beginning. Now, premium themes do offer more advanced customization and much better support and unique design capabilities, but price of premium themes can vary. The cheapest you can get is above $100. So I would not suggest going with something like this. Okay, investing in a premium theme can make your store stand out and help you play with this design more, but it will get you out of budget a little. So if you have the budget for at least $300, then you can go with this because, the cheapest theme would be around $150, $140, not less than that. Now, Shopify themes page provides filter options that can help you filter themes according to industry and catalog size. So if you go to browse themes, okay, and you can simply choose free, and as you can see, it gives you all of these free themes. Okay, pretty incredible and pretty cool. Now, moving on, Shopify also has apps and plugin costs. So Shopify's app store is a treasure of various tools to enhance your drop shipping business. So these business apps basically allow you to, vast your experience and expand your horizons when you're doing drop shipping. Okay, so apps like Deezers, Spocket, Zendrop, Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, TikTok, all these apps help you a lot to import and fulfill products from suppliers easily. Now, many dropshipping apps do have a free plan with premium features available for additional fees. Now, while free apps can be a great starting point, consider upgrading to premium version or using other paid apps that offer specific features. Now, the premium plans for these apps generally are $19 a month, which is not too, you could say, expensive. It's pretty much in the ballpark of what we're looking for. And, choose apps that directly benefit your business goals, and also consider starting yourself out with the free versions at first. Okay, then moving on, you have the payment processing fees. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the payment processing fees? So when you're basically selling in person, this is basically point of sale. So regarding e-commerce, processing payments is inevitable. Shopify offers its payment gateway, which is Shopify Payments or ShopPay, which can simplify this process. Now, ShopPay is basically to help you avoid transaction fees altogether. Now, apart from ShopPay, you will not be able to charge transaction fees for orders processed through ShopPay, ShopPay installments, and PayPal Express. Okay, and you can find it all right here in their point of sales. And manual payment methods like cash, cash on delivery, and bank transfers aren't charged transaction fees as well. So you might still have to pay credit card fees, which vary depending on your plan and location. So be prepared for these additional costs for yourself as well. But obviously, these aren't costs that you have to worry about in the start. These are costs you have to worry about later on when you're working, 3 to 4 months ahead. Now, third-party payment gateways are also a good option because opting for third-party payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe may have slightly higher transaction fees than Shopify payments. Now we move over to taxes, which also coincide in this section. Now, taxes are among the essential costs of dropshipping as they can differ according to the location. It is hard to state a certain amount for dropshipping taxes. You will need to collect and remit sales taxes if you sell in the USA. These sales tax costs differ depending on states and cities. Now, VAT, which is a value-added tax, is a transactional tax that is charged on the sales of products. It is available in more than 100 countries worldwide and is crucial if you want to sell globally. Now, apart from these, you do need to pay income tax for your income for dropshipping, where you can consult a tax specialist while calculating your taxes, as you might need professional advice related to regulations in your own country. All right. And then obviously there's optional dropshipping costs that you should keep in mind, like advertising and marketing, where you pretty much have to do effective marketing, which helps you reach a wider audience and increase your sales. It's an investment in your business's growth, so paying attention to that can help you grow your businesses as well. Okay, then logo and branding expenses are also there. Now, while you can design a logo and your brand on Canva, which is a free tool, most people choose paid tools like Adobe or some other tool like Firecut, etc. So these are all different additional costs that you're going to need to keep an idea of when you're working with Shopify. But yeah, that's a general idea on what's the minimum cost that you're going to need to start your drop shipping journey on Shopify. Now, that is all there is for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.